If you want to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A37, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. The first option is to go to Settings. Over here we need to scroll down and to go to General Management. And then over here in General Management we want to go to this Reset option. In here in Reset we can find Factory Data Reset, and of course we should be able to see everything that is going to be removed, which is of course pretty much everything. So make sure to make a backup of everything that is important and that you don't want to lose. And if you have eSIM, you can also select to remove all eSIMs as well, if that's your plan. And of course, if you're ready, tap on the Reset button. Besides that, we have two additional services provided, one by Samsung and the other one by Google. And that is the lost device protection in the case of Samsung. So we're gonna go to security and privacy. Then over here we have the lost device protection, and here we have Find My Mobile. If this feature is activated on your phone, then you can use the Samsung Find app or their website in order to try to locate your phone and factory reset remotely. So this is how it looks like. Once you go to samsungfind.samsung.com, then you should be able to find your phone on the list on the left side, and then once you select it, you should be able to find Erase Data option, which you can use, of course, in order to factory reset your phone. Besides that, as I mentioned, there is also a similar Google option, but in order to find it, we need to go to Google Services. Then over here, we're going to switch to All Services, and you want to scroll down a little bit in order to find the Find Hub option. And then if this option is enabled, you can go to the Find Hub app or the Find Hub website in order to do exactly the same thing. So in this case, the website is google.com/android/find. Over here on the left side, you can find your phone, and then once you select it, we have Factory Reset Device option. Just make sure that you're using the same account, the same Google account that you use on your phone in order to be able to find it over here on this list of devices. And last but not least, we can also perform a factory reset by using recovery mode. In order to go to the recovery mode, first we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna use the quick settings panel in order to shut down the phone. We need to prepare a computer or laptop and a USB cable. Once the phone is completely off, you want to connect the cable to your phone to connect it to the computer. And then you want to immediately press power and volume up button, and you want to hold these two buttons until you open the recovery mode. So I'm gonna plug it in and then press and hold power and volume up. And then we're gonna keep holding until we go to the recovery mode. This shouldn't take too long, there we go. Now in here, I'm just gonna unplug the cable, it is no longer needed. And then in here we use volume buttons in order to navigate. So of course we want to choose the wipe data/factory reset option and confirm by simply pressing the power button. And then over here you want to choose the factory data reset and once again confirm with the power button. If you happen to go back to the main menu of Android recovery, make sure that reboot system now is selected and confirm with the power button to restart your phone and go back to the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.